Assalamu alaikum friends and welcome to Our Class Knowledge by LM. Here in this video you will learn about how to plan for CSS exam during your graduation. In this video I'm going to give you some guidelines regarding planning of CSS during graduation or after completing your graduation. So what are the things to focus on during your graduation? Remember, great goals are achieved with great focus and consistent efforts. CSS is a competitive exam, and in order to secure top positions, you need to plan your attempt. The sooner you start planning, the better it is. Graduation period is very crucial in this regard. Those students who aspire to join the most prestigious service in Pakistan usually keeps this goal in sight when they are at graduation stage and seek admission to university. What is the best strategy for this? The best strategy at this stage is to keep your long-term goal of CSS in mind when you select subject for your graduation course. You should prefer those subjects that would in some way to help you in your CSS attempt once you are done graduation. Strong educational base. Apart from subject selection, focusing on CSS during graduation demands that you obtain a strong educational base as it is a key factor for success in CSS. If you possess a good degree from any prestigious institution, it would help you not only future job prospects but would also contribute a lot in your preparation for CSS exam. Good academic habits. During your graduation, you need to work on developing good academic habits that prove crucial at preparatory stage of CSS. You should inculcate a habit of reading good textbooks, especially select those books that are a part of successful series, for these books have established their worth and esteem in academia. Regular study newspaper. A regular of study newspaper is indispensable for CSS as it prepares a strong general knowledge base that serves as a foundation on which you develop your preparation for CSS. The next thing is current affair magazine. In addition to newspaper, you should regularly have to read good current affair magazines like Jahangir's World Times, Newsweek, Tribune, etc. News channels. You should prefer watching BBC or CNN for world news rather than Urdu news channel for obtaining a better vocabulary of current issues. The last thing I'm going to mention is that how to build an effective vocabulary. Remember, having a strong vocabulary is an essential prerequisite of success in CSS. There are different techniques for improvement of vocabulary. One, of course, is studying good newspapers, periodicals, as well as watching foreign news channels. Another effective way is writing a daily diary. It helps you make a good habit of using in your script the word you study. Before ending this video, I would like to give you some tips regarding your optional subject selection. First of all, you need to see which optional subject you intend to focus on during CSS. It would be too early to make any sort of list, but you should at least keep that in mind that these would be your options for CSS. For that, you need to read the list of optional subjects and have to think which optional subjects are best for you. Thank you.